Whoa! Hi, Sarah. What's coming up?
What?
Halloween. What are you doing?
You funny.
You funny.
Are you with $10 for that ring?
What?
Are you with $10 for that ring?
$10. I don't know. This ring's pretty sweet.
Yeah, no, $10.
Yeah. Sarah, what did we do today? What did we do today, Sarah?
No.
What did we do today?
You.
You and me? Who is it? Who is it?
Lotto.
Yellow? Oh, knock knock. Who's there?
Mother.
Who's there? You touching the computer? Your face? What did we do today, Sarah?
Awesome.
Yeah? Where'd Sarah go? Uh-oh, where'd Sarah go? Sarah! 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 Oh, there she is. Sarah! You know what, Sarah?
What?
You're sweet. Yeah! I guess sometimes.
Other than this.
Sarah, what did we do today? Remember? What are those over there?
Tracy.
What's
coming?
Tracy's coming? Yeah! What's over there, Sarah?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkins? What did we do?
Tracy.
Where's your ring?
Yeah, we carved the pumpkins. We're gonna go light them now.
What's your ring?
Let's go light the
What's
pumpkins.
on the wire?